When switching from at-risk to model risk, you will probably have some models that you previously wrote in at-risk that you want to use with model risk. So here is an example model written in at-risk, and you can see there are a number of functions that are at-risk functions. Risk normal here, risk pert, an output, a simulation mean, simulation probability of being below some value, or simulation probability of being above some value. In order to convert the model, you simply go up here to the model risk menu and the convert model option, select from at risk, pick the options that you want, click convert. When it's finished converting, it will show you a report on screen with all of the cell locations, the formulas that were converted, and whether they were successful or not. That report is also embedded inside of the spreadsheet model if you select that option. Now, when we look at the model, we find that it's generating numbers. If I hit the F9 key, it's simulating. If I click Start Simulation, it will run the simulation, and at the end, show you the results in the Model Risk Results View window.